Good morning, this is Pavel Kaczowski with ClearOne. Welcome to ISE 2025. This year we're showing several new products. One of these very good products from ClearOne is our Versa UCS2100 HD-T-based switcher kit. It allows to connect multiple peripherals to two sources in a medium-sized or large space. So in a meeting space that requires a longer cabling, this may be a nice solution to have just a Versa UCS2100 system to allow just a single cable connectivity between remote peripherals and sources which are placed usually at a table or close to where the presenters or the participants of the meeting are seated. The Versa UCS2100 is a set of two devices. One of them is a transmitter where we connect up to two sources, for instance a laptop and an MTR or a Zoom room system. Very importantly, the laptop connection through a USB-C port gives also up to 100 watts of charging, which is very convenient because you don't have to worry about a charger to carry to a meeting. Over a single cable, HD-T cable, we connect to a smaller device that we call a receiver, and the receiver is a host for USB peripherals, HDMI outputs such as a screen or a projector, and this is something that allows you to accommodate for a large room of 30 or more people with an ease of and convenience of just one cable connection between your table and the remote peripherals. You can see more at our booth at ISE, or you can visit our website, clearone.com. Thank you.